Global warming and greenhouse effect. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in the solar system, the only planet having a vast diversity of life forms, while other planets of the solar system are either hot or cold. Earth has a relatively stable temperature. What is in planet Earth that making it different? Why is it exactly favorable place to live in? It is the Earth's atmosphere, the layer of gases that blankets or surrounds the planet Earth, and it is retained by the Earth's gravity. It's like an umbrella that prevents us from the sun and rain. It allows liquid water to exist and absorb solar radiation from the sun and reducing extreme temperature between day and night. This stable temperature is rising every passing years. Oceans are getting warmer, significant seas of climate change, glacial areas are melting, wildlife crimes are causing irreversible and to harm biodiversity. Why this is all happening? What we should do to stop all of this? Earth is bombarded with radiation from the sun, which will receive in the form of light and heat energy. This radiation is formed in a visible ray, the infrared ray, and ultraviolet ray have to pass past the Earth's atmosphere before reaching the Earth's surface. The ozone layer, which is present in the Earth's atmosphere, lacks some amount of harmful ultraviolet from reaching the surface of the remaining rays. Part of it will exalt by the Earth, which will leading up the heating of the environment. The exchange of this incoming and outgoing radiation that warms the Earth. The greenhouse effect. The gases involved in it are the carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, chlorofluorocarbons, and etc. Are you wondering why it is called greenhouse? It is something to do with the greenhouse? If you're thinking yes, you are thinking in the right way. A greenhouse is a glass building in which plants that require protection from cold weather. The glass cover helps to trap over the heat energy and leaves inside the environment warm. Now, consider your planet Earth. The Earth's atmosphere acts as the glass and traps the heat. The greenhouse is essential in order to our planet Earth warm. In the absence of this effect, the temperature of the Earth's surface would have been negative 20 degrees Celsius to negative 40 degrees Celsius. But too much of something is bad, right? Over the last 20 centuries, human activities have changed the Earth's atmosphere in a dramatic way. The amount of gases is increased and still increasing. They trap too much, and this result of the global warming, which is the increase of the average temperature. Consequences of global warming are enormous. Its effect not limited to one country, but it will affect the entire environment. Knowing the fact that global warming exists and human carbon dioxide emission have continued, many nations of the earth have come together to sign the international agreement, the Kyoto Protocol. The major objective of this protocol are the commitment to reduce greenhouse gases by settling internationally binding emission reduction targets. But how can we done by us? How can we contribute by reducing global warming? Well, first, planting more number of trees, reducing waste generation, reducing the waste of products and which generate the green gases, using energy efficient appliances, and using renewable energy and etc. We must act differently, faster, and more decisively before it's too late. Let us save the earth for the benefits of our future.